Understanding Boiler Installation, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to explore boiler installation. Understanding this phrase is crucial not only for homeowners but also for those learning English as a second language. We'll break down what a boiler is, why it's important, and the basics of its installation process. So, let's dive in and make this complex topic simple and understandable. A boiler is a device used to heat water. It's commonly found in homes and buildings to provide hot water and heating. Unlike stoves or furnaces, boilers heat water or create steam, which then circulates through pipes to radiators, underfloor heating systems, or faucets. The term installation refers to the process of setting up equipment for use. Therefore, boiler installation involves the professional setup of a boiler system in a property. Boiler installation is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures that your home has a constant supply of hot water and heating, which is essential for comfort, especially in colder climates. Secondly, a properly installed boiler is more efficient, saving on energy costs and reducing environmental impact. Finally, safety is a key factor. A well-installed boiler minimizes the risk of carbon monoxide leaks, explosions, or other hazards. The process of boiler installation can be complex and should always be carried out by a qualified professional. It typically involves several steps. 1. Choosing the right boiler. This depends on your home size, your heating needs, and energy efficiency preferences. 2. Preparation. This includes removing the old boiler and preparing the area for the new installation. 3. Installation. The professional will install the boiler, connect it to the gas or electricity supply, and link it to your home's heating system. 4. Testing. After installation, the system is thoroughly tested for safety and efficiency. 5. Final checks and commissioning. The installer will make sure everything is working correctly and explain how to use the new boiler. After the boiler is installed, regular maintenance is essential to keep it running efficiently and safely. This includes annual checkups by a professional, monitoring the pressure, and ensuring vents are not blocked. Keeping your boiler in good condition extends its lifespan and prevents issues. We hope this guide has shed light on boiler installation and why it's such an important aspect of home maintenance. Remember, always rely on professionals for installation and maintenance to ensure your home is safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful tutorials.